rhyme time. My name is Ulla and this is Errol the frog, and he's going to help me do some frog themed rhyme time. But first, let's do our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. Let's start the session off by waving hello. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I'm doing pretty well, and I think Errol is ready for our first frog song. You might know this one. It's called Der Glump. Der Glump went the little green frog one day. Der Glump went the little green frog. Der Glump went the little green frog one day, and the frog went glump, glump, glump. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go glump, glump, glump. All right, let's have a look at our next froggy song. Actually, I'm going to put you down for this one. You can come back for the next one. I'm going to use my hands to be froggies. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, oh, oh, oh. This little froggy laughed and was glad. This little froggy cried and was sad. This little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could. Let's do it again for the frogs on the other side. This little froggy broke his toe. This little froggy said, oh, oh, oh. This little froggy laughed and was glad. This little froggy cried and was sad. This little froggy did just what he should. He ran for the doctor as fast as he could. And here comes Errol, running for the next song that he's going to join me for. Ready? Well, let's do it. There once was a green little frog, who played in the wood on a log. A screech owl sitting on a tree, came after the frog. Scree, scree, scree! The frog heard the owl. In a flash, 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 he leaped in the pond with a splash, splash, splash. Let's hope Errol the frog got away from the owl. Maybe he ended up in the pond. Is that where you jumped to? Into the pond? Great. Well, let's sing a song about the frogs and the other animals in the pond. The frogs in the pond go croak, 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 croak. The frogs in the pond go croak, croak, croak all day long. The ducks in the pond go quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack all day long. And the fish, what do? They splash. The fish in the pond go splash, 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 splash. The fish in the pond go splash, splash, splash all day long. That's a pretty busy pond, isn't it? It sure is. And guess who else was near the pond? Sitting on the ground. The great big bullfrog. You can pretend to be a bullfrog, Errol. Yep, okay. Great big bullfrog sitting on the ground, watching the mosquitoes buzzing round and round. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Then, with a jump, a hop, a leap, he catches a mosquito and goes to sleep. Oh, Errol looks like he needs a bit of a nap after all of that action. So, let's wave goodbye to him. Come on, Errol, ready for a wave? Okay. There we go. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Well, I'll see you again for a rhyme time another time. See you later, and see you later, Errol. Bye.